husband's feeding birds, pigeons out of the palm of his hand. Somebody walked through. Your hand is going to be a star, honey. People are walking through right now. The birds just keep coming back for more. You birds are famous now.
Question. You know if the blue line, does it stop here and then go back that way?
Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think so.
Okay.
It goes both ways.
So should we get on this? We want to go this way.
Yeah, we're not here too often, but if you get on, I'm pretty sure it goes down and comes back up.
Okay.
But otherwise, wait here and wait for it to come back.
Cool.
Okay.
Bad girl,
That
Oreo.
was our dog scaring them away. Here comes yours, Heather.
Which, oh my.
She's a little leery.
Little bird's like, what's going on over here?
Letting me pet it as I head of the seat.
Those ones are really pretty. They got a purple neck.